Hi guys, this video will show you how to uninstall Office on your computer. When you want to uninstall an older version to install a newer version of Office or uninstall to free up memory. To uninstall the Office, first click on the Windows widget, enter the control, and then it will appear in the control panel application. You can then click on Select to open it. If your control panel interface is different from yours, you can change your interface by choosing how much is displayed as the category of view by. Next, you choose to uninstall the program item. These are the applications installed on your computer. To uninstall Office, click Select on the Office application, then right-click and select Uninstall. Show notification that you have selected Yes. The Microsoft Office uninstall window appears. To uninstall, you select Uninstall. Then the application will be removed. You wait for the Office to uninstall. When you're done removing, you choose Close to finish. Then the Office application has been removed from the computer. There are no longer installed applications. You can also uninstall other similar applications in this way. So I taught you how to uninstall Office. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Hello, and see you again.